If your mornings are chaotic and you barely have time to brush your hair, let alone do makeup, this video is for you. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Dot Beauty, where we make everyday beauty simple and stress-free. Today I'm going to show you my go-to 5-minute makeup routine. This is perfect for busy women, working moms, and for anyone who wants to look put together without spending 30 minutes in front of the mirror. And the star of today's show is this matte lipstick from Mars in the 3 matte box. The Instant Flush lipstick is what I'm going to use today. And this is a super affordable lipstick. It retails at 447 rupees and there are 3 shades in this. Without further ado, let's get into the review. So let's begin. We have just 5 minutes. I'm going to start with applying this Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen. It will take care of the moisturizing, the sun protection, and also giving a little bit of coverage. While we're doing our makeup, we will apply a lip balm of our choice. I'm using the Laneige one. Then I'm going to use this Strobe cream. It will give a dewy finish and it will also give a little bit of brightening to the face. Then we apply a concealer to hide all our dark spots under the eyes and around the nose and lips. I'll be using my fingers to blend the concealer because in the morning rush, I really do not have time for using a brush or a beauty blender. I'm using the K-Beauty loose powder to set my makeup. I'm then gonna shape my brows using a brow pencil. I'm using the brow pencil to shape the brows and the spoolie to make it look natural. I'm then going to use my favorite Sky High mascara from Maybelline for my lashes. I'm then going to wipe off the gloss from my lips so that I can apply the lipstick. So we are going to use this Mars lipstick from the Peaches and Nudes box, the 3 matte box. The shade is Instant Flush. We are going to put this lipstick to multiple use today. So we're going to use it as a lipstick. We're going to use it as a blush as well. And we are going to use it as an eyeshadow as well. So this lipstick is doing the triple duty for me. I'm saving time because I'm not using the 2 additional products, and with just 1 product, I'm good to go. So I have swatched these Mars lipsticks. I will put the link of the videos on top here in the I button so you can see it for yourself. Lastly, to ensure everything stays in place, we will apply the setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild setting spray. And there it is. We are ready in just 5 minutes and good to go. This is my go-to for busy mornings, and comment below your favorite Mars shade. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button and also subscribe for next week's sunscreen guide and more Mars swatches.